Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and you all have completed your notebook with the previous work. And please send me the notebook work on my WhatsApp so that I can recognize those students who are doing the work and students those who are not doing the work. It will be very beneficial for you for your. It will be very beneficial for you for internal assessment marks. Please do this. Send me your notebook work on my WhatsApp. So let's come with me. Today we are going to start the chapter 3, that is more on Windows 7. Today I will give the intro of every topic in my today's video, and after that we will do the practical work of this chapter in my next video. Clear? Now these are the topics that today we will discuss under the chapter 3, that is first is the window media player. You all have Windows 7 in your PC, that operating system you are using. Some are using the Windows 7 operating system and some are using the Windows 10 operating system. In this Windows 7 and Windows 10 operating system, Windows first feature is that is Window Media Player. What is the Window Media Player? That player by which we can play on our audio and video on our Windows. So this media player is used by using these features. You can play any audio files and any video files on your PC. Then next point that comes under this topic is that is RIP or copy a CD to your computer. Sometimes you play some CD in your CD drive, then you want to play the songs list from your CD. Then how you can play that list? That is known as the RIP. या आप सीडी में से कुछ डेटा को अपने पीसी के ऊपर कॉपी करना चाहते हो, उसको हम कॉपी भी बोलते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द रिप. So this is used to copy a data from your CD to your computer. So you can say that we are ripping a CD. Next is burning a CD. What do you mean by burning a CD? Burning a CD means copying a data to a CD. If you want your work that you want to मतलब कि आप अपना वर्क एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर कहीं लेकर जाना चाहते हैं, तो so how you will place it? Yeah, from one PC to you want your work from one PC to the another PC, then how you will do this? So firstly you want to copy the data in a CD, then you will play that CD into the another PC. Then how you can copy your data from a PC to the CD, that is known as burning a CD. और कई बार हमने अपने डेटा का बैकअप भी रखना होता है सीडी के अंदर, तो हम अपने डेटा जो हमारे पीसी के अंदर जो डेटा है उसको कॉपी करते हैं अपनी सीडी के ऊपर, दैट इज नोन एज द बर्निंग अ सीडी. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज डिस्प्लेइंग द टू विंडोज एट अ टाइम. हाउ यू कैन डिस्प्ले द टू विंडोज एट अ टाइम? Suppose you have opened the two windows. First window you have opened, that is of the Microsoft Word, and second window that you have opened, that is the Microsoft Excel. So if you are copying some data from the Excel to Word and you want all should be seen to you, that the windows which you have opened, that should be seen to you. So one by one, if you want to see that windows, then you will use this feature displaying the two windows at a time. आपने दो विंडोज ओपन कर ली, देन यू विल मूव टू द टास्क बार, यू विल राइट क्लिक ऑन दैट टास्क बार, there will one option will come, that is show the window side by side. When you will click on this window, then it will show all the windows on a taskbar and you can easily copy your data from the one window to the another window. So this is the method of displaying the two windows at a time. But don't worry, अगर कुछ clear नहीं हुआ, we will do that work in our practical session also. Next is exploring the picture folder. What is the picture folder? You can see that there is a one folder, picture folder in your PC. Like you can see control panel, you can see library. Similarly, you can see the picture folder in your PC. So how you can use that picture folder? When you will open that picture folder, it will show some icons to you. It will show all the pictures that is stored in your PC as a thumbnail. And that thumbnail, you can change the outlook of that thumbnails by which options? There are many options. It is showing that share with slideshow. You can see all the pictures slide by slide, and if you want to share your picture with someone, then you need to internet data and then you can share your picture with the someone else. And if you want to set your picture as icons also, then you can also set your pictures as icon also, and you can customize that icons also. There are many features for customizing the pictures also. So this was all about that, how you can use the picture folder, how you can customize it, how you can use it as a thumbnail, how you can share your picture with others, how you can open the slideshow of your pictures. Next is the disk cleanup method. What is the disk cleanup method? When you save something that is saved into the hard disk, and there are many copies which are the replicas of the each other, and there are many duplicate copies of your files. If you want to remove all the replicas or the duplicate copies of the files, and you want to clean up your disk, then we will use this option, that is the disk cleanup options, that is under the, that is in a window, that is the main feature of the Windows 7. By using this disk cleanup method, you can delete all the replicas and the duplicate copies of your files, and it will save your memory, extra memory that is using in storing these extra files. It will remove all the extra files, it will remove the recycle bin, deleted files, many things it will remove, and it will make your disk, hard disk, clean, and it will store more memory, it will save more memory for doing your further work. Next is the additional feature. Today we will do these additional features, also some other features we will discuss it, that is under the Windows 7. Then the additional features are, now we are discussing some additional features. Some additional features of the Windows 7 are, first is the touch screen, second is snap, third is shake, fourth is arrow flip 3D, and the fifth is search made easier. It is not last, search made easier is not last. We will discuss more additional features of the Windows 7 also. First feature is, that is the touch screen. What is the touch screen feature? Touch screen is, by using this, by touching the screen, you can move between your files and the folders. You can open any files and the folders, you can open any pictures, you can play any audio and video. So this is the main feature of the Windows 7. By using these features, by using this touch screen features, you can do all the functions related to your Windows, related to your programs, related to your computer, and this is the very good features of the Windows 7. But for this you have to need a touch screen. For using this touch screen features, you have to use the touch screen for using this feature of Windows 7. Next feature of the Windows 7, that is the snap. What is the snap? By this you can see one or more windows at a screen of your PC. You can take the one window to the upper edge of the screen. You can drag another window to the lower edge of the screen, yeah, to the left and right edge of the screen. This is the main feature of the window, by which you can move your windows from to the left and right, to the upper and the bottom, and it will cover all the, sometimes it will cover complete screen of your PC, or sometimes it will cover the half screen of your PC. By this you can drag the pictures, you can drag the windows, and you can see one or more windows at a time on the screen. Next is the shake property. What is the shake property, and what will you do for using this shake property? For doing this shake property, you will click at the top of the window, and with pressing the mouse, you will not release the mouse. You have to click at the top of the window, then with pressing the mouse, you will shake your mouse without releasing its button, without releasing the mouse button. मतलब आपको press ही करके रखना है. Then without releasing the mouse button, you will just shake your mouse. As you will shake your as you will shake your mouse, then all the windows that is opened on the screen, that will be displayed, that will not be displayed there. They will be gone off from your screen. So this is the shake property. With the shake property, it will show only that windows on which you are shaking your mouse, and the other window will not be displayed there. They will not be shown on the screen. Next property, that is the arrow flip property. This is also known as the arrow flip 3D property. What is the arrow flip 3D property? In this, for using this arrow flip 3D property, you will use the you will click the window plus your tab button. What is the use of the tab button? You will press the window button plus your tab button. When you will press these two buttons together, window plus the tab key, and then you will see that all the windows that is opened on the screen, it will show all the windows as a stack. स्टैक मीन्स एक के नीचे एक विंडोज़ की सारा स्टैक शो कर देगा, जितनी भी विंडोज़ आपकी स्क्रीन पर खुली पड़ी हैं. देन बाय प्रेसिंग द विंडो कीज एंड मूविंग द टैब की, यू कैन मूव फ्रॉम वन विंडो टू द अनदर window and you can see that window which you want to open. With the tab key you will move from first to the last windows on the stack, and which windows you want to see on the screen, you will just click on that window. That is the arrow flip 3D property, जिसके थ्रू जितनी भी विंडोज़ ओपन है उसका वो स्टैक क्रिएट कर देगा, एंड टैब की हेल्प से आप उस स्टैक में फर्स्ट टू लास्ट विंडोज़ में मूव कर सकते हो, और जिसको भी आपने ओपन करना है आप उस विंडो पे क्लिक करोगे एंड दैट विल बी शोन ऑन दैट विंडो विल बी शोन ऑन द स्क्रीन. तो दिस इज द एरो फ्लिप प्रॉपर्टी. Next property, that is known as the searching made easier. What is the searching made easier? In the Windows 7 या in your operating system, you stores many files and folders. It's very difficult for us to search our file and folder and where we have stored it. And sometimes we forgot that where we have saved our files, yeah, what is the path of our file. It's very difficult for us to search. Then what will you use? Then the most beneficial property of the window is that is searching made easier property. In this you will just click on the window start button, and as you will click on the start button, it will just start on the desktop button पर जो start button होता है जो आपके left hand side के bottom के अंदर होता है, then you will click on that button. It will show a search text box. On the search text box, which files you want to search, just type the name of the file. It will automatically show all the files, it will related to that terms, it will show all the files that is stored in your PC, and you can search which is your desired file, and you can open that file with the search made easier property. So these are the additional features of the Windows 7 touchscreen: snap, shake, arrow flip, and searching made easier. 4 more additional features are also, and they are more other features of the Windows 7 are Windows 7 taskbar, next is the jump list, next is the window media center, and next is the window mobile. First is the Windows 7 taskbar. Windows 7 taskbar is the main feature of the Windows 7. You all knows about the taskbar. You can pin your favorite programs at the bottom of the taskbar. Taskbar is displayed at the bottom of the screen, and you can pin your favorite programs and there on the taskbar, and you can easily open it whenever you want to see that programs, your files, या any applications. Next feature of the taskbar is that you can thumbnail your pictures, photos, files, folders on the taskbar also, and it will be show you which types of it will show all the thumbnails of your files and folders, and you can easily open your files there. Plus with the Windows 7 taskbar, you can make your screen transparent. Suppose आपने कोई विंडोज़ ओपन कर रखी है बट आपको डेस्कटॉप पे देखना है, तो Windows 7 टास्कबार में एक ऑप्शन है बिल्कुल राइट एंड पे जब आप क्लिक करोगे, राइट हैंड साइड के बिल्कुल बॉटम पे आप क्लिक करोगे टास्कबार के, तो इट विल शो आ ऑप्शंस दैट इज शो द डेस्कटॉप. जैसे आप क्लिक करोगे तो आपकी विंडो को ट्रांसपेरेंट कर देगा, और विंडो के बैक में जो आपका डेस्कटॉप एरिया है, इट विल शो ऑल द डेस्कटॉप एरिया एंड इट विल मेक योर विंडोज ट्रांसपेरेंट. तो दिस इज द मेन फीचर्स ऑफ द Windows 7 taskbar. Other features of the Windows 7 are, next is the jump list. What is the list? How much program you have opened, या how much program, pictures, files, pictures, folders, videos, audios which you have just frequently used. It will show the list of the frequently used applications on the taskbar that is known as the jump list. You can open a jump list and you can easily select the desired and you can open that applications. For example, if you have searched so many websites, then you can you can use the jump list options. It will show all the websites which you have frequently used. It will show the list of all the frequently used websites, and if you want to open one out of them, then you can easily find out that one name of the website. So this is the another feature of the Windows 7. Next is the Windows Media Center. What do you mean by Media Center? By using this property Windows Media Center, you can play your TV shows, you can play your radio, audio, your TV shows, you can play on your PC. With the cable connections, you can store your favorite TV programs on your PC also. So this is the feature of the Windows Media Center. Next feature is the Windows Mobile. What is the Windows Mobile feature? This is the main feature of the Windows 7. With using the Windows Mobile features, you can browse the internet, you can send your mails from one place to the another place, you can open any applications on the you can open and download any application with the help of the Windows 7, and you can explore your platform also. So this is the main features of the Windows Mobile that will enhance your knowledge also. So today we have discussed all about the Windows 7. One by one we have discussed the features. I have given you the intro of all the topics under this chapter more on Windows 7. This was your theory section, and there are some practical session and also that how you can open a two screen at a time, how you can rip a CD, how you can burn a CD. Some practical sessions are also under this chapter that we will cover up in my next video. Till then, please read this chapter. It's your homework that please read this chapter and send me the PDF of your earlier work on my WhatsApp. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.